Hello and welcome to my channel. What do we have for today? These are gonna be today's sounds. Here, paper bag handle and slow stitching. Let's see how it goes. As you can see here in my channel, I am following Dephemberember 2024. So I came up with the idea of having this type of handles that are like paper twisted in this way, and let's see what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be trying to have her on a piece of cardboard with a hole on the front, and then I want to have the opportunity to have her in and out, just keeping the opportunity to observe and to admire this dress. So let's see how I'm gonna be doing this. About the handles, I'm gonna be using them to place them around the oval over here and build a frame with them, gluing her on top of another cardstock. As this is very thick, I'm gonna have it as the back part of my envelope of my ephemera, and her I'm gonna have it here. So this is a little bit thinner, and what I'm going to do is I'm going to cut it the same length, just in case I don't want to make a mistake in here. And so let's see what happens. This is really nice because it's square paper, so it's easy to cut. You don't need to measure too much. And the idea that I have is to glue her here and to have her going inside here. And let's see how can I do that. And I'm gonna position her in a way that I can see the picture, the exact face coming out or matching with where the hole is. So this will be the exact place. So this is the exact place. Again, I'm gonna place the glue around here, and this is not going to move now. Now I'm going to poke 3 holes, and this is where the slow stitching comes on place. I'm gonna try to have them in the same distance, only in the center from each side, and the same on the bottom part, so it's not gonna go anywhere. So here, board, but it's kind of far away. All right, so I have that. Now let's work with our needle. I already have my knot on the back side, and this is going to be the slow stitching part. I love it. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can do it at the end of the video, clicking on my picture, or also you can do it in the button below, or also in this corner here where the red arrow is, and you'll be subscribed to my channel. Straight line. This is my final idea, so I'm just gonna have it like so. That means that I have to redo the first one. We can also go 2 times or only 1 time, whatever you decide is okay. Anyways, that's gonna be glued to the journal. I don't need this anymore because this is already attached. And let's go over here. This is my kind of pocket. Let's see if we have her Yes, so that is very, very perfect. I'm gonna leave it open on both sides just because it looks like fun to me, you know. Just gonna leave it like so. And now I'm coming with my board. I can have an extra attachment from this ephemera onto my page. So I'm going to go here and I'm going to go here, and I already have this hole and that hole. All right, so we are doing something that is part of the Dephemberember 2024. If you want to check the making of 12 ephemeras following this prompt list, you can click the playlist link down below and you're going to be able to see what the prompts are about, and of course the making of my ephemeras for this amazing journal. So this is what I want to have, and as you can see, I need the hole that combines with this here, so it is around there. Let's poke it there, and I need to go down, and this will be my slow stitching part. Then I'm gonna go all the way here, and I am all the way on the other side, and I need to poke the matching for this hole there. So this will be a prompt named attaching our ephemera by slow stitching, right? This will be the correct name in this case. Okay. At this point, I can have it just like that. I can have it like that, and I want to do the same on this part. So it's belly band, is double belly band because this goes in here. The companion is going to be there, and then I have this and the outermost hole here. Perfect. Isn't this in the exact place where I need it? Same on this side, and then I come coming back from here down. I am in love with this. Almost done. See? Awesome. Now in order for me to complete the exact prompt, I need to use my bag handle, and for that I am going to add glue. Let me get rid of the picture. I don't want it to have glue on top. Let's place it here, and let me just add the glue around. So I am going to cut the almost right amount, and I'm gonna go back here. You can always leave me a comment. Let me know what do you think about this project. And I know that I can't use E6000 glue, and that is something I'll need to do. I'm suspecting I need to do, but let's give this a chance. Okay, let's have it there. Or I can always use my glue gun, but I want to give this a chance. Yeah, it's working, you see? It's all about having a little bit of patience. Here I need to add something I like, and I just can untwist this. Oh, look, you see, surprise. Two different types of paper. Oh, we discovered something. Look at that. what is exactly what I was needing. So let's just open it and let's do a little flower. Okay, let me just wrap this around. And you're gonna see the result is going to be really nice, super cute. Let's do it 2 times. 1 and 2 on the same side. And now let's open this in the way of a flower or of a bowl. Let's see what the paper is telling us. There. Yeah, it's going to be a flower with 6 petals. It's an actinomorphic flower because you see it goes around and it's like a circle. What? Better impossible. Better impossible. As I always tell you, journaling is magic. Journaling is more magic. Amazing things happen during my episodes here. And this is it. I'm gonna give it time so it can get totally dry. I'm making sure that this is not attached, and I have it here and I can just go right there. Oh my goodness, oh my goodness, this is so amazing. I am in love with this ephemera I just did. Incredible things happen while you work on your journal. Believe me, it's magical. You can try it. And imagine when you start writing and keeping memories and collecting more things inside and journal that you do with all your love in this amazing time like December and during Dephemberember. And this is actually the ephemera number 12. And I'm gonna say goodbye. I see you in my next episode, sending you a lot of love and waiting for December 23, where we're gonna have altar book page and blackout poetry. Oh my goodness, I don't know what is that about, but it sounds very interesting. So the doors here in my channel are always open. You can check the playlist down below. This is the beloved visitor. I have been doing all the prompts for this year's Dephemberember. Look at this amazing photo pocket, and this was really astonished. So gorgeous. I recommend you to click down below and watch all the episodes in the playlist. Look at that. I'm really satisfied and in love with this year's prompts and with all the amazing things I have been able to do. This is a fabric pocket and I alter using paper with an accordion, and as you can see, all and everything is so nice. This was tuck spot with cheese, and you know, and today's episode, that is this amazing beautiful lady over here. So I see you soon, and please leave me a thumbs up if you like this video for more ephemeras for my journal and for you to have a lot of new ideas. Thank you for watching, and remember, this was a handle from a bag and a photo and surrounded by slow stitching. And don't worry about the back, because pretty soon I'm going to be doing something to cover this. I see you in my next episode. Bye friends. Bye bye and take care. Bye friends. Bye.